And more breaking news, fired Massachusetts State Police Trooper Michael Proctor making his case in court in an effort to get his job back after being fired for his conduct while serving as the lead investigator in the Karen Reed case. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Brianna Pitts. Proctor is challenging his firing before the Civil Service Commission. That's an independent body that reviews any disciplinary action in state and local government. WBZ's Penny Commit was in court for the hearing.
Michael Proctor was joined by his wife and attorneys who wasted no time calling the former state trooper's firing a witch hunt done only to appease members of the press and the public.
Mike Proctor was a very good trooper, an exemplary trooper, a detective who has been made to be a scapegoat as a result of the Mass State Police caving in to public pressure.
That's how Proctor's attorneys ended their opening statement after emphasizing that the crude messages Proctor sent about Karen Reed were on his personal cell phone to childhood friends, where he had a reasonable expectation of privacy. In those messages, Proctor called Reed a babe, a whack job, and said, quote, hopefully she kills herself. Attorneys for the Massachusetts State Police believe Proctor's termination should be upheld for additional reasons beyond the text messages.
Consumed alcohol and then operated his cruiser while on duty. Released confidential information.
You swear or affirm?
MSP's first and only witness, Lieutenant Kevin Dwyer, was the primary investigator into Proctor's alleged misconduct. He validated clips of Proctor's testimony during Reed's first trial.
Just a few hours into an investigation, you were willing to tell a bunch of high school buddies details about the investigation, including the name of the victim, correct?
At this point, it's 16 hours later, sir. Not a few.
In total, state police plan to show 36 pieces of evidence to the Civil Service Commission, an independent body that reviews any disciplinary action in state and local government, and will determine the fate of Michael Proctor's employment with state police. But that won't be for a while. While MSP expects to rest its case tomorrow, Proctor's attorneys will not present their 58 pieces of evidence until October. In Boston, I'm Penny Commit, WBZ News.